All right, Nana's going to unplug the vacuum so I can see Ryder. Out goes the cord, and I have to go take the cord to Grandpa. See? He's gonna vacuum the bedroom. There, Grandpa, have fun with that.
Watch this. I got an attachment that goes on there.
Oh, Ryder, you'd love this vacuum. It's special. Look at Grandpa go. I wonder if I could hire him out and make me some money off of him vacuuming floors. Grandpa, is there not an attachment to go up top so you can stand up?
Nope.
There's that, huh? Don't suck the cord up. It would not be good. Look at Grandpa. He's vacuuming over on Nana's side of the bed now. But there's not any dirt on Nana's side, so she doesn't get dirty.
Whoa.
Nana stays clean.
Nana's lying.
Nana wouldn't lie to her boys. See, boys, there's our TV in the bedroom. Oh, look at Grandpa go. He's Speed Racer. You got it, Grandpa?
I got it.
Now you got to get the step up there and all the corners. Are we about done?
Now we gotta go to the bathroom.
You gotta get the cord.
Nope, we're okay.
Now we're going into the bathroom. And this is the room Grandpa really gets dirty. See, he's sitting on his throne vacuuming. Get all that dirt, Grandpa.
All right, we're all done.
Show Reed and Ryder your vacuum.
There's my vacuum cleaner. It's all done.
Maybe Santa Claus will bring you one of those, Ryder, for Christmas. All right, Grandpa, tell them bye.
Bye, boys. Thanks for helping. Had a good time. Bye-bye.